All right. So we're waiting for Sarah right now. She said she'd be here in a few minutes, so hopefully she shows up, but we're gonna just go ahead and start for now. Annie's the group leader. So we'll probably just have you read it out loud still, I guess.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so for the first question, we have to find p hat 1 according to the data in the table.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Hey, sorry it took a while.
No, it's okay. You actually came just in time because we were just barely starting the first official question. Are you?
I have to tell you something funny.
Are you do you need a moment to open up to the quiz?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I've got it open.
Okay. So Annie, go ahead and read the third question.
So the first one, we just have to use the data in the table to find p hat 1.
Okay. And so that would still be x divided by n, right? Okay. So it would be 52.
Out of the 70.
Yeah, would it be 52 divided by 7?
That seems right to me.
Okay, and oh my gosh, my calculator's so irritating. My calculator gives everything's in fractions, so I'm gonna have to use.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I got 0.743.
Okay.
0.743, Sarah?
Yeah.
That's what I got too.
Me too. Okay, we'll put that in.
It's so funny to like be here and not be in the meeting. I hear you guys talk.
Okay. Go ahead.
Then for question 2, we just have to find p hat 2. So I already did this and I got 0.712.
Okay, and
That's what I got too.
and that was just p hat 2 was 40.
It's the same thing as the first one, just with the guides.
Okay. Okay. 3.712. Okay, go on to question 5.
So the next one is, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? I think it's the first one because it's just asking, is it different then?
Yeah, I agree.
I agree as well.
Wait. Is it the no, just kidding. Never mind. Ignore me. So for the next one, then it asks for the estimate for this 95% confidence interval with P1 minus P2. Sarah, do you have the Excel sheet open?
I don't have the Excel sheet open. I've got the equation though.
Okay, the Excel sheet will be much easier.
Okay. Where's that again?
There's a link to it at the bottom of the textbook page.
Okay. I'm gonna go pull that up then really fast.
Okay.
Did you hear that, Sarah, where it was?
Yeah,
Okay.
bottom of the textbook.
Yeah, I'm going there as well. Okay.
I don't know. That's the one I had a question on. That's the only one I missed.
What did you put in?
Then I can tell you guys to make sure you know.
Okay.
Oh, I think I used p hat because I didn't remember what the point estimate was. So I just found the real p hat because I thought p hat was the point estimate. And no. So let me go find that equation.
Which one of these?
The one at the bottom.
This
Yeah.
this one.
Is the point estimate P1 minus P2? I don't know. But anyway, I'll find what I. That's what
Maybe Sarah knows.
So I obviously added them together because that's how you find P1.
And it would just be one proportion. Oh, it would be two. Never mind.
Okay. The answer is not 0.729.
Sarah, by any chance, do you know what the point estimate is for that question?
I believe it's the entire total. I mean, so the total of female and male who say yes, they can taste it over the total of number of people.
Wait, say that again.
It's the number of. So the group that we're looking at is people who taste PTC,
Right.
and so I think that it would be 94 over 129.
Cool with trying that.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know. So, nope.
Is that the number I got?
Yep.
Oh,
Not
darn.
that.
It's not that, because Riley did that and she got it wrong. So I don't know what it would be. We were just wondering.
That's really cute. Nope.
Did you try 35 over 129?
35?
Yeah.
Why 5?
Well, 35 is the total of no.
Right, but we're testing the ones that can.
Mm.
Then the only option would be 94 divided by 129.
Riley already did that on her quiz and she got that one wrong.
Let me Google it.
Yeah. So we don't know how we would do it then.
I thought maybe I just missed something. I don't know.
No, I mean, if I mean, you're not the only one that thinks that. If Sarah thought that as well.
Well, that's what it says in the textbook.
Really?
Really?
I don't know then.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
Maybe it's just
So,
something
we are
that
selling these coupon
we'll have to
cards
ask the
for
professor
Family
about.
Crisis
Should we
Center.
move on to a
We
different
are-
question now?
They're only $25 and they have a lot of good deals on them
So-
pretty much everywhere in town. Would you guys be interested?
I think that we really are right now. We appreciate you coming and asking us.
Okay. Do you want to look at it and see if there's places you would go to? Or anything?
Sorry, there's a lot of.
Like, I don't know if you
You're fine.
or it might be one too.
Let's just move on and come back to it.
Yeah, let's just move on and go back to it
Nobody
later.
forget that we have that we're leaving that one blank.
Yeah. Don't forget we're leaving that one blank, but we'll go back. So then the next one is
They're
what's the
good
margin of
until
error?
October of next year. So
Would we get that
we
with
could
just
put
the
out
Excel
an
sheet?
file,
Well, you have
put it in a track, get some divided by 10.
I'm sure we could always get them online.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just best to buy them door to door. That's what Family Crisis Center do.
Gosh. But anyways, thank you for asking us though.
All right.
I hope
Bye.
you have luck.
Thanks.
Bye.
the margin of error is the upper minus lower divided by 2, right, Riley?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, you guys should have seen me solving that problem. I was doing it the long way.
So
That is the only way you should do it.
how do we find that upper minus lower then?
The upper and the lower in the Excel sheet, if you put in the numbers.
Okay.
So I got 0.14154.
For the margin of error?
Yeah.
Wait, so what did you do for the P then?
We skipped the point estimate.
Don't you need the point estimate for?
No.
No, it's just the upper minus the lower divided by
I just put all of the numbers in Excel and it gave me the upper and the lower and then just the regular mark there.
Okay. Well, I can't get the Excel thing to work. So what was the upper and lower that you got?
So the lower I got is negative 0.123 and the upper is 0.185.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm just doing something real fast. Oh, wait. So the X one would be 52, right?
What?
X1.
Okay, so the margin of error is 0.154, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Sorry, I'm just plugging in the numbers real fast. Mm,
You
I
are.
like the stabbing pain right here.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
0.154.
Stretches.
Yes.
Okay, so are we ready to move on then?
Is
Yeah.
that the best point estimate for P is P hat? That's the equation for P hat. So I don't know why we didn't get that right.
So then the
Maybe we'll
low.
round it.
What's the lower bound?
Negative 0.123.
0.123. And then the upper bound is 0.185. Is that what you have as well?
Yeah.
Okay. So go ahead, sorry, Annie.
Okay, so with A equals 0.05, what does it?
Oh, that smells really good.
So it seems like we will need to figure out
So
the point estimate because you need it for the z-square.
we have the
I
z
mean-
score in the Excel sheet, Sarah.
Oh, okay.
We have the z score and the p value. So the p value is 0.653.
So we would fail to reject
Yeah.
Yeah.
HO. Okay.
So if we have the z-score for it, couldn't we plug that into the z-score equation to get the point estimate?
Is the point estimate the same as the p value? I didn't think it was.
I thought it was the same as the p-hat value.
That's what Google says, and that's what I thought it was too, that the point estimate was P hat. But that's what I found, and I got it wrong. You guys should try calculating again and see if I rounded wrong. Because I don't
What did
know.
you put?
0.729, I think.
That's what I got it around it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maybe it's a typo.
Yeah, maybe.
Because I mean, like the Excel sheet gives us the p value, but the p value is different than the point estimate.
The P values.
Yeah, we would need the p hat.
If they meant the P value and he typed it wrong, that's not our.
I mean, I guess we could.
We can try putting the p value.
Yeah, we can just try putting the p value. I mean, it's not like
We
we
don't
have.
have anything else to do.
Yeah.
So according to the Excel sheet, then it is 0.653.
We can just try that and see what happens.
Let's do it.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So question 11. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study?
So I think it's D.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Next 9 questions, we will review the mortality rates and day of admission heart attacks. Ooh. Study with different data. Out of blah blah blah, who had a heart attack during a weekday, blah blah blah, had died.
Wow, so insensitive to the dead.
I'm sorry. I'm tired. Out of whatever that had a heart attack on the weekend, this many had died. So, data presented here. We need to first test and make sure the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied.
Those are all the random equations. I think.
So,
Doesn't it? It has all what requirements for a hypothesis test.
Yeah, it's the same as the n times p hat is greater than 10 and n times 1 minus p
Yeah.
is greater than 10 for both p1 and p2.
Yeah. So let's see what we have here.
so wait, is that the died by the total?
Yeah,
I think so. So we're gonna have to test both group 1 and group 2, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm pretty sure that we can just like say that it's safe to assume that all of these are going to pass, because if you look at those numbers, those are a little bit more than 10. And we're multiplying them.
Okay. Let's say
So,
true.
I'm just gonna assume that they're true.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying. That's so true. Okay, yeah, let's just move on. Oh, that's funny. I wonder why he's being nice to us, I guess. Okay.
Okay, so the next question is, which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
Okay.
So looking back up, the research question is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on the weekend?
So A,
I think it'd be D.
It's D.
D. Because it's
less than.
group 1.
oh, sorry, yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so use the data in the table to find P1 again. So hopefully my calculator won't be stupid again.
It's gonna keep doing that until you reset the settings and tell it not to.
I got 0.141.
Wait, isn't it the total divided by the died?
X divided by n. They're labeled.
Oh, okay. Oh, never mind. Sorry, the other way around. I mixed that up in my head.
So 0.141.
That's what I got.
Okay.
And then we can just go ahead and do p hat 2 as well.
Okay. This quiz isn't half bad so far.
Unless we're getting them all wrong.
That was
Riley's probably
something
over
I
there
heard.
checking.
She's like,
She's like, they're
"Mwahaha."
getting this one wrong. She's leading us astray.
Oh yeah, it's 5, right? Pick 5.
You sure?
Okay, so I got 0.145.
That's what I got too.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to plug these in really fast to the Excel sheet so that I don't have to calculate the Z-score by hand.
Oh, it's awful. Don't try it.
Yeah, I don't want to punch in these numbers to my calculator.
Okay. I will try and put those in as well. Okay. 16713. 11519.
Oh.
Second, I'm almost there. 6155. Holy crap, my neck is killing me. 424. Negative 2.020.
That's what I got.
Okay. Did you hear that, Sarah?
Negative 2.20.
No.
020.
020, yeah.
Okay. Given the z-score for the last question, which should you shade, the left or the right of the z-score for the p-value?
The left.
Like it matters.
Nice. What is the p-value for this test?
Guess what? It's in Excel. It's
0.022. This is so lovely.
I really like this. Can we just have Excel sheets like this for all of our
That would be nice, wouldn't it?
It's so great.
So considering that is the p-value, what is the decision for the test?
Reject the null.
Yep. Okay.
Following best summarizes the conclusion of this test.
Shush.
So it's C.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
So, okay, sorry, real fast. What we decided for the point estimate, that one was, what was that
For
again?
number 6,
Yeah,
we decided to put 0.65.
okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so we'll see if that's right.
Okay, should one of us submit it first to see?
Yeah.
Sure. I can do that.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and do it. Okay. Nope.
For the P,
Just scroll down and see
Point
if we
estimate.
got everything else right.
what the crap is that?
Yeah, we got everything else right, just that one problem.
Well, I'm just gonna submit it then.
Of the p-value?
Yeah, just that one problem. I don't know what it is. But we we got a 95 still. Like that was the only one we missed. So I don't know if you have any other ideas but we can just
Congratulations.
try on our own or whatever and see. But
Okay.
so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the broadcast. Do you have any other questions before? That was done really fast. That took like 20 minutes. That was awesome. Okay. Well, have a good day, Sarah.
Okay, thanks. You too.
What movie did you guys watch?
Zootopia.
Did you like it?
Yeah, there was some stuff that did not need to be in there.
Yeah, it's an interesting movie. But, okay, well, enjoy the rest of your night.
Okay, thanks. Bye.